This video is going to be about the pin and the skewer. A pin is an attack on any piece that cannot be really moved. It involves three things: a pinning piece, a pinned piece, and the piece behind it. In this situation, you would say that the white queen is pinning the black bishop to the black king, because the black bishop can't really move anywhere without white's queen just taking black's king. And obviously you can't do that. So in this situation, the white queen is the pinning piece, which is pinning the pinned piece, the black bishop, which is a piece that cannot move, and the black king is the piece behind it. Piece behind is usually a piece of higher value than the pinned piece, which allows it to create a pin, a situation where you're attacking a piece that cannot be moved. Another example of a pin is actually called a skewer, and it's like this, where the queen is attacking the knight, but if the knight moves, you're going to be able to take the rook. So it's not really a pin because the black knight can actually move. But if it does move, then your queen is just going to get that piece that's behind it. So it's another example of a pin because the queen here is pinning the knight, which is the pinned piece, because the knight can't really move anywhere. And it's being pinned to the rook. This is an example of a pin. So this puzzle is white to move, and the best move for white here is to play queen to e4, because it creates this pin on the rook. The queen on e4 is pinning the black rook on d5 to the king on a8. This rook can't move because then black is going to lose his king, right? And here is another example of a skewer. So it is white to move in this position, and what you can see here is that this rook and queen are lined up on this diagonal. The best move for white here is to play bishop to f3, creating a skewer. So the white bishop is pinning the black rook to the black queen. No matter what black does, he can't save his rook or queen, because, for example, if he moves his rook, you're just going to be able to take his queen for free. So pretty much the point of the pin is that it has to have a pinning piece, a pinned piece, and a piece behind it. And it's the same thing as a skewer. It allows you to win free material because it creates a situation in where your opponent cannot move